Comment me which brand this logo belongs till the end of the video. Welcome to episode 6 logo skill upgrade series. Let's start by creating a bulb using simple shapes as shown on the screen. You might be thinking why I am creating this image instead of using any vector image from the Google and text, and we can complete this the logo as much as possible. But personally I feel if we are getting any chance of enhancing our skill, we should grab that opportunity. So this bulb logo is created with just simple shapes using a circle and rectangle. But don't worry, in the advanced level I will show you how an vector image taken from the Google and can be placed in a logo with no pixels. Watch the video till the end. So this way bulb is created. Now adjust the ruler as shown on the screen. We will try to give some raise effect to this bulb. So with the help of line tool, create a line. Select the line and go to rotate tool, alt and click. This dialog box will appear and rotate it to -30 degree. Then Control D for the duplicate. Now delete the unwanted part, unwanted lines. And with the help of type tool, type the logo name. Here we will use simple Times New Roman font. So this way we have created one simple logo. Now in the advanced level or advanced version, we will see what changes we can do to this image. So let's move to the advanced version. So here we will use the brain image. So it will take time to create this image, so I have taken the vector image and place it on the screen. Now I will delete the unwanted part using a crop. So select this image and go to image trace and expand it and ungroup it and delete the unwanted part. So now this image is non-pixelated and you can use it anywhere with any size. Just group them. With the help of type tool, type the logo name. Here I will use the Libre Baskerville font. Libre Baskerville font gives some more professional, so I have used this font here. And if you are new to my channel, then follow my channel for the past 5 logo series we have already completed. As in the first logo we have already created, using the same procedure we will create some rays to this brain. But after creating we have realized that some shape is not well to this image, so we will place it manually as shown on the screen. Comment me which logo you like it. So episode 7 will be coming soon. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.